Monkeybox was an online food delivery platform that operated from 2014 to 2016. Monkeybox faced numerous challenges that ultimately led to the downfall. Monkeybox struggled to differentiate itself in a highly competitive market, facing strong competition from established players like Zomato and Swiggy. There are three reasons why Monkeybox failed. Number one, failure of the B2B model. Monkeybox failed to cope up with a B2B model. The company has led to face operation in meeting daily operational expenditures in a B2B system of payment, which takes over 60 days of period. Number two, rapid proliferation. Rapid expansion plan which further led to the losses expenses, including hiring temporary staff, increased the team size to 250 in 2 months, and the kitchen across the cities maintained low quality and became uncontrollable. Number three, lack of distinction. It was challenging for Monkeybox to differentiate itself and offer unique value proposition to customers. This contributed to low brand recognition and customer churn. These are the reasons why Monkeybox failed. For more such stories, follow me.